Okay. Hi, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is okay. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Okay, I hope you can hear me clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. So let's start with the lesson for today. So this is in continuation with our past lesson. This is in connection with our topic or in our subject, which is quality consciousness, habits, and processes. Okay, so the topic is all about manufacturing system. Again, this is a good example when you say quality consciousness. Manufacturing is a kind of idea, or it's a kind of topic that we can relate, okay, and where we can connect. Okay, so I hope you can answer all of my questions. So what can you say when you hear or when you read the word manufacturing? Anyone?
Sir, sir,
Yes, yes.
sir,
Roslyn?
sir. It is a product used or making goods by hands or a machine.
Okay, you mentioned about a kind of product. So there is a machine involved. Okay. Okay, so who
Yes,
among you here have gone or have visited a manufacturing factory or a company? Meron na ba?
Wala pa po, sir. Wala pa po, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I hope alam niyo naman siguro yung mga yung mga iba't ibang factory na meron tayo. And sige, let's just browse the slides here. So these are our objectives, and mind you guys that this is actually a two-part series of our lesson. So number one there in our objective is we're going to determine the origin of manufacture theories and planning. The second one is we're going to understand the concepts of manufacturing theories and planning. Number three is the difference between Taylorism and Fordism. Okay, how is it differ to each other? Number four is we're going to identify the components or the parts of manufacturing. The next one, we're going to identify the types of manufacturing system. Okay. And second to the last is the illustration of the components of the service system quality. And last but not the least, we're going to learn the historical background of manufacturing. How is it all began? And how is it the present situation nowadays? Okay? Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
sir.
let's start with the introduction. When you say manufacture, the word manufacture itself came from the Latin word manus. That means hand, manus, okay? And facere or facere, that means to make. Okay, so in other words, hand make, okay, or handmade, or in other words also, it is manual, or you barely by the use of hand. Okay, so that is the word manufacture is all about. But nowadays, we are now at present times, we try to modernize, we try to automate, and we try to shorten the production, but we will have a good product as an outcome of it. Okay? And of course, when you try to visit a certain factory, you will see a lot of things. Okay, so the next slide here, there are three main processes involving manufacture. These are the assembly, extraction, and alteration. Okay. Okay, but before that, I'll let you view a video with what is inside the company. Okay. or I mean a manufacturing company. This is the tomato ketchup company. Okay, let's watch this for a short while. Okay, so from a raw material of the tomatoes, ayan yung mga ginagawa, no? Okay, so hinuhugasan muna, syempre, after picking it. Okay, so those are the machineries. No? Machine na yung gumagawa niyan. Ayan. Okay, so let's try to move it forward. Ayan. Okay, of course, you mentioned about the human intervention. No? Kailangan may tao pa rin na involved in a certain factory. Okay? Okay. And then, okay, let's try to observe what are they doing. Okay, so moving forward, so after that one, it is now put in a can. They make sure that the cans are clean. Okay, so I'm sure it's well sanitized. Alright. Okay, so it is now filled in those cans. Okay, so what happens next? Okay, so this is the canning procedure. Okay, and so on for this one, guys. Now, when you say assembly, it says there that it's a combination of parts to make a product. Where is the assembly going on in our tomato ketchup factory? Anyone? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Medyo hindi ko masyadong makita yung video kasi and hindi ko masabi.
Yes? Yes, Marilyn?
Hindi ko masyadong malinaw sa akin yung video kasi medyo phone lang po yung gamit ko so medyo malabo yung mata ko. Pero para sa akin kasi yung assembly po, di ba sabi dito is combination of parts to make a product. So, hindi ko na po parang doon sa yung may inalalagay pa siya doon sa tomato
Mm-hmm.
para makabuo tayo ng product, final product.
Ano yung kino-combine doon? Yeah, what is being combined in order to make a substance of a ketchup?
Sir, ako sir.
Yes, Micah?
Siguro sir yung tomato din, mga ingredients sir para mabuo po yung product nila na ketchup. Hindi naman siguro tomato lang yung lahat.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
For sure may mga ingredients doon sir na may hinahalo po.
Okay. Yeah, good. Thank you. Okay. So,
Tapos sir, yung ano po, yung para maging matagal po yung may inadagdag po siya. May, yung parang sa preservative po.
okay, yeah. Okay. Siguro may preservatives pa nga na nilalagay. Okay, thank you, Marilyn. And let's go to the second one, the extraction. Where is the extraction part? No, sabi diyan, it's a process of removing one or more components from raw materials. Saan doon yung extraction?
Sir, ako po, sir.
Yes, Gerald.
Yun dun po, yung tinatanggal na po ng balat yung tomato.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, yung laman na lang po yung ititira nila para makabuo ng ketchup.
Okay. Yeah, maybe, no? Yeah, in order to have a good or quality ketchup, they try to remove. And to add more, yung mga sabihin na natin baka meron pang nabubulok or something doon, no? They try to remove it by bare hands, no? Okay, thank you. And then the last one here is alteration. That means you modify or molding raw materials into a final product. Saan doon yung alteration na nangyayari?